Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're here today.
This podcast helps you learn real English, easy English, daily English, English you can use in your life.
Yes, no hard grammar, no stress, just clear English and friendly practice.
Before we start, a quick reminder. If you like this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it. It really helps us.
Thank you so much. Okay, today's topic is very useful.
Today, we will talk about your daily routine,
Your daily routine means
the things you do every day.
like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work or school.
This lesson is perfect for A1, A2 learners. Very simple, very practical.
So relax. Listen first, then listen again. You're doing great already.
2. Main chat. Daily routine vocabulary and practice. Approximately 8 minutes. Part 1. Morning routine.
Let's start with the morning.
Morning is when you wake up.
Repeat with me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. Again, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. Now, Jackson, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Great example. Very clear.
After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Repeat. I get out of bed.
Perfect.
After that, many people brush their teeth.
Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth.
Good job. You're improving already.
Then I wash my face.
I wash my face. Say it with us.
Excellent.
Now, breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
My quick breakfast is a banana and tea.
Nice and simple. My quick breakfast is toast and coffee.
Repeat this sentence. My quick breakfast is...
Great. You can change the food.
Part 2. Work or study time.
After breakfast, I go to work.
Repeat. I go to work.
Or you can say, I go to school. I study at home.
Yes, all are correct. I go to work at 9 a.m.
Good sentence. Time plus AM or PM.
At work, I check my emails.
Repeat. I check my emails.
Nice.
I talk to my coworkers.
I talk to my coworkers. Very useful sentence.
At work, I also drink coffee.
Same here.
Remember, it's okay to be simple. Simple English is good English.
Part 3. Afternoon and evening routine. In the afternoon, I have lunch.
Repeat. I have lunch.
My lunch is usually rice and chicken.
Sounds good. My lunch is sandwiches.
After work, I go home.
I go home. Easy and useful.
At home, I relax.
Repeat. I relax.
I watch TV or use my phone.
Great daily English.
In the evening, I eat dinner.
Repeat slowly. I eat dinner.
Then I spend time with my family.
That's a great sentence. Very real English.
Part 4. Night routine.
At night, I get ready for bed.
Repeat. I get ready for bed.
Then I brush my teeth again.
Good habit.
Then I go to bed.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Nice sentence. Time plus PM.
Before sleep, I sometimes listen to music.
And sometimes I think about my day.
That's a beautiful habit.
Okay, let's review today's key phrases.
Listen and repeat if you can.
I wake up at.
I brush my teeth.
My quick breakfast is.
I go to work. I go to school.
I have lunch.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I go to bed at...
Amazing work. You listened. You repeated. That's how you learn.
Remember, listen today, listen again tomorrow.
Each time, your English gets better.
Now, we have a fun question for you.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
And What time do you wake up?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us.
You're doing great. Keep going. We believe in you. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.